For over 45 years, VPS have provided independent testing and advisory services to support our customers in achieving their business goals, protecting their assets, people, and the environment. VPS Power are specialists in transformer oil testing, covering all types of insulating fluids, be they mineral oil, synthetic esters, natural esters, or silicon oils. Transformer oils act as the blood of a transformer, carrying critical diagnostic data which provides vital information regarding transformer health and oil condition. This offers an early warning system for preventative action and supports evidence-based maintenance decisions, helping to reduce unplanned power outages and improve plant reliability. The VPS Power Transformer Oil Testing Service is a proven, cost-saving tool that strengthens any predictive maintenance strategy. At VPS Power, our analysis is performed in accordance with internationally recognized test standards, using advanced laboratory technologies to ensure fast, accurate, and dependable results. Our specialists advise our customers on the most appropriate testing package for their transformers, tap changers, reactors, and switchgear, maximizing the value of any maintenance budget. And because your operations can't pause, we provide 24-hour emergency testing support. VPS Power operates in compliance with internationally recognized standards and holds a host of certifications, demonstrating our commitment to quality and safety. Methods of analysis are validated through the use of certified reference materials and quality control samples, plus participation in interlaboratory proficiency testing schemes. In addition, VPS Power are registered members of Achilles, UVDB, BSI, and the GEL 10 technical panel. Representative, compliant sampling is essential for achieving accurate analytical and diagnostic results. To ensure the highest data quality, we recommend following IEC 60475. Working to this internationally recognized standard ensures every sample is truly representative, enabling our specialists to deliver world-leading insight and helping keep customer assets operating at peak performance. Our sampling kits include everything required to harvest, label, package, and safely return samples to our laboratories. VPS Power's testing includes fluid quality, which covers moisture content, breakdown voltage, acidity, appearance, and color testing to monitor degradation over time. It also includes dissolved gas analysis, or DGA, to identify thermal and electrical faults. Then furans testing to assess transformer aging and remaining life, indicated by the degradation of the paper insulation through the degree of polymerization. PCB testing is then employed to meet HSE compliance. Finally, VPS Power also cover additional investigative testing for corrosion, contamination, and additives. Post-analysis, the VPS Power technical reports contain bespoke diagnostic advisory comments from our in-house experts, with both the asset and oil condition highlighted by an easy-to-understand color coding system. Also included are historical sample data for trending purposes to assist in fault prediction and prevent outages. Along with receiving test reports via email, VPS Power customers have access to a password-protected portal housing all their reports. In addition, VPS Power provide the latest digital technology to customers through our business intelligence tool, My Transformers, which is focused on transformer oil condition monitoring and asset integrity data. Further to this, the VPS mobile app allows customers to register samples with the laboratory, as well as access their reports via mobile phones and tablets whilst they're on the move. Finally, VPS Power offers tailored training solutions to increase customer knowledge, skill sets, and competencies. So VPS Power can provide comprehensive transformer oil sampling, testing, advisory, and training services to protect your assets, staff, and the environment in support of your business operations. For further information, please contact power@vpsveritas.com.